Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends. I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to my channel. Myself Nushin Ansari. Today's topic is essay on my parents. It's an English essay. It contains more than 350 words. I hope you all like it. So let's get started. My parents. Parents are the most important person for us in this world. We need to respect and love our parents. We have none except them. They love us a lot. Most of the time, they don't express their love directly for the kids. But we can realize that easily, especially fathers are like hard and never express love openly. But we have to realize that they love us a lot. We need to love and respect them too. My father's name is your father's name and he is 45 years old. But my father looks so much younger. He is very aware of his health. He goes to the gym regularly. I am also learning so much healthy things from him. He is a businessman and spends most of his time in his office. But after all, he loves to spend time with me and my mother. Most of the time, he takes us to a small picnic. I love the family picnic a lot. I really enjoy this. My father is a friend to me. His behavior is really good. Not only me, but he also behaves well with everyone. He is very popular in the society because of his helping mentality. Lots of people ask for help and he never refused anyone. That's why everyone loves him. My mother name is your mother name. She is 40 years old. She is a housewife. I think my mother is the most important member of our family. We couldn't even think a day without her. She wakes up early in the morning and starts working in the kitchen. She washes clothes, cleans the whole home, cooks food for us. She's like a superwoman. I can't even imagine doing so many works like her. She is really impressive. After doing so many works, she never complains. She is always happy, especially when she finds me happy. She is the happiest. I consider my mother as the best mother in the whole world. She is the best. There are so many reasons behind that. First of all, I think she has sacrificed her happiness because of us. She works all like a robot, but she never complains. We always try our best to help her. Their hobbies. As like others, my parents also have some unique hobbies. My hobby is always reading books and playing video games. My father's biggest hobby is bodybuilding. Except for doing this, he loves reading books. In this leisure time, he starts reading books. We have got a small family library. I am also a book lover and that's why he buys book every month. My father leads me to become a book lover. He has always inspired me to read more and more. My mother has something different interest. It's gardening. As a result, we have got a garden in front of our home. It looks really beautiful. I love working in the garden when my mom works there. I help her a lot. I love the flowers and she's seeding some vegetables too. Both parents are really helpful and nice people. They behave with each other really well. I have never seen them quarreling. Even they help the others people too. They have got a really good relationship. I love my parents very much. They are the best parents ever. I want my parents to live a long whole life. They also love me a lot. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.